friends, welcome back to class 3rd subject science. I am Deepali Mule. Today I will continue our second lesson, parts of a plants. As you know that students, we are going to learn about different parts of a plants. In last video we have learned about the two major parts of our plant, that is first one, that is the root system, and the second part, that is the shoot system. Let us see. Now today we are going to discuss about the shoot system. As you know that the part of the plant that is above the ground, that part we can call as a shoot system. As we have already learned about root system, and we know very well the two different types of roots are there. That is first one tap root, and second one, that is the fibrous root. Here the pictures of taproot system and fibrous root system. As in today's session, we are going to learn many more parts of a plant. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the shoot system. Let's start. So dear student, first we are going to discuss about the stem. This is the first part about the ground. So as we know that there are different types of stems are there. As here also you can see the picture of stem, that is a bamboo tree. It is straight. Some stems are straight, some stems are very strong, some are very smooth, some are very small, and some are very big. Let us say there are many different types of stems are there. As we know that stem is one of the important part of a plant. Let us see that the stem, it is the main part of our shoot system, and it helps to keep the plant straight and erect. Just my dear students, you imagine the plant or any tree without stem, as plants or tree cannot stand properly without stem. As there are many different types of stems are there. Some are soft when that plants are in a young stage. As we know that when that stems are very young in stage, at that time the color of that stem, that is green in color, and after that the trunk of that tree are brown in color. Let us see that here one of the example of tree trunk. As you can see that tree have the many different types of branches are there. Means some trees are many branches. Observe this picture of that tree. That tree has many different types of branches, and some trees are there, they having no branch, other branch like coconut. That coconut is one of the tree that coconut has without branch. So let us see the tree trunk. It has a brown in color. It is very hard, and this tree trunk we are using for many purposes, for making our building, for making any furniture, table, etc. So my dear son, what is the main function of this stem, or we can say that trunk? As you know that roots can absorb water from ground, from soil. So whatever the water absorbed by the roots, that water can transfer from this stem to other parts of that tree. His tree trunk or any stem of the plant, it helps to carry water and nutrients from the soil, and it provides to other parts of the plant. This is the main function of that tree trunk or the stem. Okay, let us see next picture. So here also it is the picture of mango plant, and here it is a picture of mango tree. Observe, these are the same plants or the tree, but here you can observe the stem of this plant, it is green in color, and here you can observe that stem, it is brown in color, or we can call as a trunk. As the stem of big tree, we can call as a trunk. Means when that plant it is growing gradually, so at that time that green color it is converted into the brown. So like that many different types of plants are there, trees are there. Now let us see the what are the different functions of stem. The first one, that is the stem keeps the plant upright and it gives support to them. Without stem, that plants cannot stand properly. Again, some trees or the plants having the many different types of branches, and because of that branches can hold all the leaves, hold all the birds, and flowers and fruits properly. Again, very important function of the stem, that is stem carries water, food and minerals to all the parts of that plant. So these are the basic functions of stem. As here you can observe the picture of coconut tree. So my dear student, coconut tree stem is very straight. In here you can observe different types of coconut trees. It has no branches. That coconut tree has without branches, and here you can see the leaves. The leaf of that coconut tree is also very big and we are using for many purposes. So here you can observe all the different types of stems of that coconut tree. So my dear students, like that many different types of plants are there. They having the different types of stems. Do you know that rose plants having the stem or having the stem with a thorn? Or pumpkin plants or climber, we can say that the stem of that pumpkin, it contains small thorns. So like that many different types of varieties of stems are there. Just remember the functions of stems, that plant, it supports the plants, it holds all the branches and the leaves. Okay, and the main function, it carries water and nutrients to all the parts of the plant. Okay, let us see plants such as sugarcane. It stores extra food in the stem. It means that stem help to store extra food. And as we are eating that extra food, like sugar cane, stem. So these are the some examples of that stem that we are eating. Or stems of some plants such as potato, the gingers, that also grows. Okay, under the soil. But my dear students, these all are the stems. It store the food. So this is also one of the important function of stem. And the next one, that is some stems also store water for the plant. Plants such as desert plant, that is cacti, have very thicky fleshy stems and it stores water for the plant. As you know that in the desert there is less water. So such a types of plants are grown in that deserts. They are storing water in that stem. And whenever it requires, they are providing that water to that plant part. So my dear students, these are the 5 different types of functions of stems you have to remember. As other part of the plant we are going to learn in the next session. As we have completed one root system part, and in that shoot system we have completed stems and its function. So my dear students, I hope you may have understood the topic shoot system, and one of the part of this shoot system we have completed, that is the stem. It's very easy. So in the next session we are going to learn very important part of the plant, that is kitchen of the plant, or we can say that the leaf. So again we will meet in the next video. So thank you and have a nice day.